Good morning students. Today we will learn how to treat the reserve and surpluses and how to show the reserve and surpluses in the balance sheet. Now what is the problem? Problem is that Seer Tyres Limited has supplied the following details on 31st March 2018 and you are required to show items in the balance sheet. General reserve is rupees 7,50,000. Security premium reserve is rupees 5 lakh. Surplus in statement of profit and loss opening balance is 10 lakh. And company sustained a loss of rupees 6,25,000 during the year ended 31st March 2018. Now we will learn how to show the reserve and surplus in the balance sheet. Now prepare the balance sheet of SEAT Limited as on 31st March 2018. Particulars, note number and amount. Students, first of all, what we show? We show the equity and liabilities. And under equity and liabilities, first category is shareholders funds. And because in this question we have to show the reserve and surplus, so here write reserve and surplus under the shareholder funds. Now we will prepare the note. Note to accounts number 1, reserve and surplus. Now in this question, general reserve is given. General reserve is given 7,50,000 and security premium reserve is also given, which is a 5 lakh. Now we have the surplus in statement of profit and loss opening. So we have given the opening balance of the profit and loss account. Opening balance of profit and loss account, and which is given 10 lakh. Now company sustained a loss of 6,25,000 during the year. This year company suffered a loss of 6,25,000 and we will less the loss during the year, which is 6,25,000 from 10 lakh. When you deduct the 6,25,000 from 10 lakh, you will get 3,75,000. Now total it. 16,25,000 is total reserve and surplus. You calculated. So write here 16,25,000. Now the next problem is Jupiter Limited has the following balances as on 31st March 2018. General reserve 12 lakh. Surplus in statement of profit and loss account opening balance is 7,50,000, which is given in a bracket. What does the mean of bracket? Bracket means it is a loss. It is a negative balance. So the opening balance of profit and loss account is negative, which means a loss of 7,50,000. Next, there is a loss of 6 lakh during the year ended 31st March 2018. Exhibit the items in the balance sheet. Now we will learn how to show the negative balance of profit and loss account in reserve and surplus. Now we will prepare a balance sheet of Jupiter Limited. As on 31st March 2018. Particulars, note number, day and amount. First of all, equity and liabilities. Under it, shareholder funds. And under it, reserve and surplus. Now we will prepare a note to it. Note to accounts. Number 1, reserve and surplus. In this question, general reserve is given, which is a 12 lakh. And opening balance of P&L is negative, which is right in the bracket, so it is a negative balance, 7,50,000. And the company also suffered a loss during a year, so less loss during the year, which is 6 lakh. Student, there is also a negative balance in starting, 7,50,000. There is a loss, and again there is a loss. So this figure is in negative, and when the figure is in negative and you deduct something from it, minus will become the plus, but because the minus, so here we will write a minus here. 7,50,000 and 6 lakh is a 13,50,000. So which is also negative balance. So write here 13,50,000. Now 12 lakh minus 13,50,000 plus minus. So here you will get a 1,50,000, which is also in a negative. So you will write a 1,50,000 in the brackets in reserve and surplus, which is a negative value. Students, I hope you will understand the calculation of it. This is a negative balance, and when you deduct something, when you will minus something from a negative balance, then your negative balance will increase. So minus 7,50,000 minus 6 lakh, minus plus. So 7,50,000 plus 6 lakh, 13,50,000 in minus you will get. Now the next problem of reserve and surplus. General reserve is a 3 lakh. Capital reserve is 2,40,000. Security premium reserve is 12,60,000. And surplus in statement of P&L, which is a negative balance, 21,60,000, means it is a loss. During the current year, company earned 14,40,000. Bonus share worth rupees 9 lakh were issued out of the security premium reserve. So prepare a balance sheet. Now we will prepare a balance sheet. Equity and liabilities. Number 1, shareholder funds, and under it reserve and surplus. Note number 1. Note to accounts. Number 1, reserve and surplus. Now in this question, general reserve is given. Which is 3 lakh. Capital reserve is given, which is 2,40,000. Students, security premium reserve is given, which is 12,60,000. In this question, the bonus share worth rupees 9 lakh were issued out of security premium. So less bonus share, because bonus shares are issued from a security premium, so less a bonus share from the security premium reserve. What is the amount of bonus share? It is a 9 lakh. Deduct 9 lakh from 12,60,000. So you will get a 3,60,000 of the security premium reserve. Next is the opening balance of profit and loss account, which is in a negative value 21,60,000. Add, because in this year the company earned a profit, so we will add the profit. When company earned a loss, we deduct the loss, minus the loss. Here profit, so we will plus the profit. Now what is the profit during a year? 14,40,000. Profit during year 14,40,000. Now minus plus minus. Minus 14,40,000 from 21,60,000. 7,20,000. But the value of minus is higher than value of positive. So we will show it in a negative value. So write here 7,20,000 in negative. Now total of these three is 5,40,000, 6 lakh, 9 lakh. Now 9 lakh is a positive value and 7,20,000 is a negative value. So 9 lakh minus 7,20,000, you will get a 1,80,000. So write here 1,80,000 of the reserve and surplus. Students, I hope you will learn how to treat the reserve and surpluses in the balance sheet of a company. Thank you.